Welcome to the Phishing URL detector, a smart way to check if the URLs are legitimate or not. This web app identifies phishing URLs with just a click, helping users to avoid scams and protect their data. Phishing attacks trick millions into sharing sensitive information through fake websites. Our tool tackles this by analyzing the URLs in real time using machine learning models. This project works on the data collected from a website known as Phishing, where all the registered phishing links are stored. By training the model with those links, our model can identify URLs by the length and characters used in the URL to find which one is phishing URL and which is not. Now let us start our application from our workspace. Go to the Python file where our actual project was present. In Terminal of Workspace, type Python API to run our project. You will see a link, which is an interface known as Flask used for UI for our project. Click on that link, and you will be redirected to the project interface's web page. You will see an interface like this. For starters, let's try to check a normal used website in our day-to-day lives. Say google.com and hit check. As you can see, the website was legitimate, which means it was not a phishing URL. Now let's type in similar but different URL. Let's say google432.com and hit check. As you can see, the prediction came as a phishing URL, which means this type of URL is not safe. So this is our project phishing URL detector that predicts the URLs with just one click. This helps users in finding the original website and helps in protecting their data. Stay secure with our phishing URL detector. Thank you.